Finally, we're here at Lake Garda. It's the largest lake in Italy, located in the northern part of the country and spanning 3 regions, a favorite destination for both locals and international travelers. Lake Garda offers a perfect mix of natural beauty, historical charm, and exciting outdoor activities. The water is crystal clear, ideal for swimming, sailing, and windsurfing.
Coffee after it, tiramisu.
And what about this? What is the favorite of this?
Nocciola or nocciole, sì.
Okay. Then I take this one.
Spaghetti.
Yes. Spaghetti.
Spaghetti? Spaghetti ice cream?
Spaghetti ice cream.
Really?
Flavor? Because normally we do with the hazelnut, Nutella and Grazie.
We're here at Hotel Balze. We're staying here for 5 days and 4 nights for €621. It's a 4-star spot, perfect for active travelers with tennis courts, yoga, biking, and stunning Lake Garda views. This is our view. The Lake Garda and surrounding mountains are breathtaking panorama. You will see it in our balcony. The garden area, pool terrace, and most rooms have lake view, balconies, or gardens. So whichever room type you choose, expecting unforgettable sunrise and sunset over the lake. We're exploring Lake Garda on an e-bike for just €42 per person. We got our bikes, helmets, and full access to some of the most beautiful cycling routes around the lake. This is seriously one of the best ways to explore and experience Italy's largest lake at your own pace, with stunning views and every turn. If you're ever in Lake Garda, definitely try this e-bike experience. It's peaceful, fun, and totally beginner-friendly.
Babe, look, we started there at the end. We started here and then we drive all the way down to Riva del Garda and then now here we come here. This is our hotel. At the top must be there. This is our hotel. Wow. Okay, let's continue.
Riva del Garda combines stunning lake and mountain views. The town is rich in history and architecture. They have also delicious local food and wines. The town is lively in summer yet peaceful in the off-season. They have also plenty of charming shops offering local souvenirs like handmade crafts, olive oils, limoncillo, and artisan goods. We tried also a fun experience where a street artist drew our faces.
Babe, you look beautiful. I look like a baby. Bella, bella, magari.
After a long ride, we're heading home by a ferry. You can actually take your bike on board. Regular ferries here at Lake Garda are bike friendly and it costs about €3 extra for your bike. Super easy, super scenic. Just arrived at Castello Scaligero di Sirmione, one of the most stunning medieval castles in Italy. It sits right on the Lake Garda, surrounded by water like a fairy tale, built in the 13th century by Scaligero family. This place was once strategic stronghold. Today, it's a picture-perfect spot. You can walk along the walls, explore the old towers, and soak in the panoramic lake views. If you're in Sirmione, don't miss this. We're going to Sanctuary of Madonna della Corona, a place that looks like it's suspended between heaven and earth. It's not just a church, it's the place leaves you speechless. This sanctuary is literally built into the side of the mountain, 774 meters above the sea level, overlooking the Adige Valley. Whether you're here for spiritual reason or just chasing unique places, this is site unforgettable. You can hike here the hard way over 1,500 steps from the valley below, or take the easier 15 minutes path from the village. Whether you're here to pray, reflect, or just to explore, this place stays with you long after you leave. If you are near Lake Garda, don't miss Cascate del Varone. This 98-meter waterfalls is hidden inside a narrow limestone gorge, carved by water over thousands of years, with 2 viewing levels and winding tunnels. It's a stunning natural escape you can explore up closer.